Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and feel the pulse of the digital universe. The blockchain is alive, the network never sleeps. But you are allowed to pause. You are not just watching the charts, you are watching yourself. You are more than market cycles, more than green candles or red lines. You are energy, focus, awareness. Let the noise fade, let clarity return. You don't chase pumps, you follow purpose. You build, you believe,